Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by creating a new project at 3840 x 2160 and 60 fps for cleaner HDR results. Open Project Settings and choose Color Space Rec. 2020 with the PQ Electro-Optical Transfer Curve. Then set bit depth to 10-bit so you preserve more tonal steps and reduce banding. Switch blending to linear light for accurate highlight interpolation and preserve HDR headroom. Import your source clips and confirm each clip is marked as full range and retains 10-bit precision in the inspector. Begin grading by balancing exposure with small incremental changes of 0, 1 to 1, 2 stops for natural tonality. Raise highlights by about 25% while pulling shadows down by roughly 15% to create expressive HDR contrast. Increase midtone saturation by around 10% to recover vibrant color without clipping. Use local masks and feathered gradients to protect skin tones and maintain highlight detail. If you use a LUT, choose an HDR LUT designed for Rec. 2020 and apply it at reduced opacity to taste. When ready, open Export Settings and choose HEVC-H 265 with 10-bit encoding to preserve HDR color steps. Tag the export with Rec. 2020 color metadata and the PQ curve so players recognize HDR content. Set a target bitrate near 50 Mbps for 4K HDR to preserve fine detail and color fidelity. Test the final file on an HDR-capable screen that supports the PQ curve and higher peak brightness. If upload platforms re-encode, check their HDR guidelines and keep a master 10-bit file for archives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.